talk about mindset. Because I'm telling you, I cannot tell you enough times that trading is 90% your mind. It is. As boring as it is to listen to this stuff, and you just want to know, well, what is a strategy? What is a strategy? How does it work? How do you do it? That's 10%. Learning how to read the chart, we can teach you that over and over and over again until you understand it, till we're blue in the face. You know exactly how to do it. But until you get the mindset right, you're not going to be able to get the results that you want. And here's what we're going to talk about today is just instant gratification. So I want you guys to take notes, and we're going to go ahead and pull this up. And I apologize if Brandon went over some of this already, but let's dive right in. So instant gratification. One, it does not exist with success. Two, it forces you to act irrationally. And three, it impedes your decision-making skills. What do I mean by instant gratification? You know what? Right now, if I want to understand something, or if I have a question, I can instantly get on Google right now and I can figure out the answer, right? If I want to go get a candy bar right now, I can get in my car and I can drive to a gas station and I can buy a chocolate bar right now, instantly gratified. If I want some food, I can go make some food. If I want to watch a movie, I can turn on a movie. I've got these things that are here right now in front of me. I can instantly access these different things. And what it leads us to think is it's the same with trading. We jump on board and we're sending you guys signals. You jump on board and you start taking the signals and you expect instant gratification. You feel like in your mind, well, if everything else is coming to me right here, right now, I should be able to make all this money trading right here, right now. Well, let me tell you something. When it comes to success, that is not the case, and it is never going to happen. When you look at Brandon right now and you think to yourself, well, how did Brandon get to where he is? Brandon said he hit chairman in 3 months. How is Brandon trading this gigantic trading account? How are these people making millions of dollars trading? What you don't see is the blood, sweat, and tears that lasted for years and years to get to that point. Brandon's story is absolutely phenomenal. If you have not read his book, Brandon, you've got to link your book. Which one is it? The one where you...
I'll put a link to it in here.
Please do. To tell your story. Brandon has been doing this networking for, what is it, 20 years now?
It's year 20. Yep.
Year 20.
In fact, Jordan, I had a guy say to me, well, Brandon, if this is so good, why are you still doing this after 20 years? And I said, am I supposed to be sitting home watching ESPN, having them argue who's the GOAT, LeBron or Michael Jordan? I mean, the whole point is, it's not about just making money. This is about leaving a legacy. This is about making a difference. This is about making a contribution to mankind. It's not about making a large sum of money and then just kicking back and doing nothing. I'd be freaking bored. So I'm doing this because, yes, I do like making money, but most of all, I like making a difference. That's why I'm here on a Friday night when I'm supposed to be out with my wife, and I'm here with you guys. Now, my wife likes you guys, but she does like me better. But Jordan and I are committed to help you guys have success. By the way, I will take my wife out after this, so that way I'm not in trouble.
I already made my wife dinner, so I'm good on that too. But listen, instant gratification, it doesn't exist, and it's not going to happen. Okay? When you look at, well, Jordan, how did you learn these strategies? How did you do this? Do you guys know how many accounts I've blown? A lot. Okay? My very first time trading, what do you think I did? Put in $1,000 and started trading the 5.0 lot size. There goes my trading account. Because I didn't understand how to do it yet. But guess what? None of us have given up. That's why we're still here. And now look, Week after week after week after week, account grows. The account grows. The account grows. We win trades. We win trades. We win. We win. We win. If we have a bad week, guess what? Who cares? On to the next week because we're going to win the next 3 or 4 in a row. You've got to stay consistent. Your $100 account, your $200 account, your $1,000 account, when you look at it right now, I know, I understand that making $10 or $12 on a trade is not exciting. I understand that. But what you've got to realize is that this slow growth over an entire year to get your account to $10,000 or $100,000, that's when the numbers get exciting. And when you pull out a trade and you're trading a 20 lot size on it, and you can make an entire year's worth of pay in 1 week, all of those years or weeks of small trades leading up to that point, they're going to be worth it. So just so you know, just so you have an idea, and then we're going to jump into the strategy and go over it. Just know, I would stay up day and day, night and night, trying to learn this thing. I was so obsessed with it, and I still am, that's all that I could think about. That's all that I wanted to do. You've got to take your distractions and your obsessions that you have right now, video games, Netflix, whatever vice that you have, you need to turn trading into your vice. That needs to be your new obsession. Some people waste their time watching sports and all these other things. I love sports too, but what I'm saying is take that obsession and put it into your life and put it into your trading. And you're going to start seeing a huge difference in the way that you trade. For right now, though, learn the mindset. Take the signals and practice your mindset. That way, moving forward, as we continue to send out trades, if we have a losing trade, you guys, it's fine. We're not going to win every trade. That money, though, it's still in the market. We're going to get it right back. Okay, it aches my heart when I've got somebody from Africa messaging me saying, sir, this is my only $50. I put a 0.20 lot size on this. I hope your trade wins. I can't do anything about that. If the trade loses, there goes the account. But guess what? Even if the trade wins, the account's going to go bye-bye because of the drawdown. So you guys, let's be smart. Let's be disciplined. Let's be dedicated. The fact that you're on this training tonight with Brandon and I, that right there is proof that you're hungry and that you have some form of discipline. Now let's continue to grow week after week, month after month, year after year. And like I said last time, 3 years from now, we're going to look back. All of us that are on this call, there's only 60 of us on this call, 62 of us. Us 62 people, we're going to look back and we're going to see a change in our lives over the next 3 years. Just stay committed. Do not give up. All right.